Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to healthy living. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. How to make your hair longer and darker using two natural ingredients, coffee and ginger. Many of us desire strong, luscious hair, and with the help of these ingredients, we can achieve just that. So, without further ado, let's dive into the wonderful world of coffee and ginger for hair care. Here at Healthy Living, a journey to health and beauty unparalleled. In this captivating digital realm, we fervently embark on a comprehensive voyage towards the pinnacle of well-being and aesthetics. Our channel stands as a paragon of knowledge, meticulously curated to furnish you with an unparalleled tapestry of wisdom on the confluence of health and beauty. Through meticulously crafted visual narratives and articulate elucidations, we unfold the secrets of unlocking a harmonious symphony between the corporeal and the ethereal. Embracing a veritable plethora of multidimensional facets, we delve into the contours of physical vitality, mental acuity, emotional equanimity, and spiritual serenity, all while intricately exploring the seamless interplay of health and beauty. Drawing upon an eminent assemblage of distinguished experts, virtuoso practitioners, and scholars in the realms of medicine, nutrition, fitness, psychology, self-care, and aesthetic arts, our channel presents a bountiful trove of sagacious insights, empirical research, and cutting-edge discoveries. From invigorating workouts that galvanize every sinew and fortify endurance to delectable gastronomic odysseys that nurture the body from within, we present a melange of palatable knowledge that fosters both gratification and transformation. Journey with us as we traverse the rivulets of mindful self-care rituals, anointing each viewer with the sacrosanct wisdom of invigorating skincare, indulgent hair care, and the arcane art of radiating allure from the inside out. Encompassing a cornucopia of beauty regimens, grooming techniques, and venerated cosmetic revelations, our channel serves as an exalted compass for navigating the vast cosmos of beauty in the modern age. Committed to fostering a vibrant and inclusive community, we bask in the interconnectivity of souls, where earnest dialogue, bountiful camaraderie, and heartfelt sharing enriches every subscriber's sojourn. As we traverse this mesmerizing expedition, we steadfastly endeavor to elevate your cognizance, augment your discernment, and empower you to blaze a trail of resplendent health and alluring beauty in every facet of existence. Indulge in the profundity of healthy living, where the confluence of health and beauty intertwines in a symphony of unparalleled grace, wisdom, and exuberance. Join our ever-expanding legion of devotees and be part of this extraordinary expedition that celebrates the transcendence of the human spirit through the prism of health and beauty. Subscribe now and traverse this transformative odyssey with us. Segment 1: Benefits of Coffee for Hair. Coffee, a popular beverage enjoyed by millions worldwide, offers numerous benefits for our hair as well. Let's discover how it can contribute to making our hair longer and darker. Promoting hair growth. The caffeine present in coffee can stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. When applied topically, it increases blood circulation to the scalp, providing nourishment to the hair roots. Strengthening hair. The antioxidants found in coffee, such as polyphenols, help to strengthen the hair shaft and reduce breakage. This results in longer and healthier hair over time. Darkening hair color. Coffee contains natural pigments that can darken the hair color, especially when used consistently. This is a great option for individuals looking to enhance their natural hair color or cover up grays. Segment 2. Ginger for hair health. Ginger, a versatile root with numerous health benefits, also holds great potential when it comes to hair care. Let's explore how ginger can contribute to longer and darker hair. Boosting hair growth. Ginger contains essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, which are beneficial for hair growth. It helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring the hair follicles receive adequate nutrients for optimal growth. Treating dandruff and dry scalp. The antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it an excellent natural remedy for dandruff and dry scalp. By reducing scalp irritation, ginger helps maintain a healthy environment for hair growth. Strengthening hair. Ginger contains antioxidants that can nourish and strengthen the hair strands from within. It helps prevent hair breakage, leading to longer and stronger hair. Segment 3. Coffee and ginger hair mask recipes. Now that we understand the benefits of coffee and ginger for our hair, let's move on to some practical applications. I'll be sharing 2 simple and effective hair mask recipes that combine the power of coffee and ginger. Coffee and ginger hair growth mask. For this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl to form a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, allowing the nutrients to penetrate the scalp and hair. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Coffee and ginger hair darkening mask. For this mask, you'll need 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 1 cup of brewed coffee, cooled, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Instructions. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl to create a thick paste. Apply the mixture evenly to your hair, from roots to ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse your hair thoroughly with water and shampoo as usual. Segment 4. Additional tips for hair care. While coffee and ginger are effective for promoting longer and darker hair, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach to hair care. Here are a few additional tips to maximize the benefits. Maintain a balanced diet. Eating a nutritious diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is crucial for hair health. Include foods like leafy greens, eggs, nuts, and fish in your meals to provide your hair with the necessary nutrients. Regular scalp massages. Massaging your scalp regularly stimulates blood circulation and promotes hair growth. You can use essential oils like lavender or rosemary oil for added benefits. Protect your hair. Protect your hair from excessive heat styling, UV rays, and harsh chemicals. Use heat-protectant sprays and wear a hat or scarf when exposed to the sun to prevent damage. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making your hair longer and darker using coffee and ginger. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies, so incorporate these tips into your hair care routine and be patient for noticeable results. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time with more exciting topics on healthy living. Stay beautiful and be well.